Fucking hell, man. We're on video 333, and we made a mistake in the previous video that will result in a crash. So if you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go here, because we're going to do a very short explanation where I don't explain everything. I just show you where I put all of the error checking code, because if I try to explain all the details of the error checking code, the video goes over duration. So you can get the source code here. Let's go. So in the top little unit test functions, if error checking of inputs is on, we're going to do these error checks of the inputs. And then down here, if error checking of outputs is on, then we're going to error check the outputs. So for this function right here, okay? Then in this function right here, we have more error checking of inputs, and we're going to crash if the inputs don't look correct. So right here and right here, we're going to throw an error if these aren't correct. Over here, here is our actual fix. So inside of this function right here, this was the bug we had. So it needs to be length -1, not just length. We fixed the bug. And then right here, if this becomes a problem, if this is not correct, rather than just crashing, we also added these logging functions to inspect the values. Here is the cross-checking function for the touching 4 values. And we put this here to make sure there's no lax comma in the first entry for this table, and no lax comma for the first entry in this table, or the first record, you could say, or the first row. In func boilerplate, we've added this logging function to help us figure out what the value is. And we need to error check the inputs, and then we're going to get the base 2, base 16, and base 10 values and log them out to inspect what this number is. And this is a traceback string to see where we called it from. And here's some monkey wrench macros in case we type this improperly. Here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video, just fixing bugs. If you want a longer explanation that goes over the code in more detail, you can go here. You've been here on the shorter playlist. Source code here. Like, subscribe, send money.